3D printing, how it took over my life. My name is Logan Barnes, and this is my hobby. With 3D printing, it has taught me how to be patient. This is because the process that 3D printing is, by nature, is slow. "3D printing is able to create whatever tool or trinket you could possibly want. I've been fortunate enough to have 3 machines, and each one constantly needs maintenance. I am able to take a 3D rendering of an object and turn it into a physical object in the matter of a few minutes. There is also a community just about 3D printing, and in the past few years I've been lucky enough to be a part of it. I've created videos showing my passion for 3D printing and trying to make it as entertaining as possible.
So I've called up this guy, and his name is Mongoose Manson. This is the final product. Oh my gosh. Wow. Would you look at that? 3D printing is pretty fast.
I've shown people how to make flying propellers, lightsabers, Connect 4 boards, toilet paper roll holders, stencils, and much more. There's always something to make and someone out there that will enjoy what you make.